Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria Miss. Happy birthday to you. We all love you. We all respect you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you, dear Maria Miss. This for you, Maria Miss. And this greeting card for you. Thank you and happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day to dear Maria Miss. May God bless you. Wishing you love, peace and good health today and always. Once again, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Miss. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Miss. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss.
Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Maria Miss. May God bless you with good health, wealth and prosperity. Stay blessed and keep smiling.
Good morning, Maria Miss. A very happy birthday to you. May God bless you abundantly with good health and happiness.
May God bless you with lots of happiness, good health and long life. Wishing you a bright and beautiful day and many blessings for the year ahead. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day.
May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smile a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Maria Miss. Enjoy your day.
शुभ दिन ये आए आपके जीवन में 1000 बार और हम कहते रहे हर बार. Many happy returns of the day to our beloved headmistress, Miss Maria Rodriguez. God bless you. We love you, Miss. Take care, Miss. Bye.
Birthday, Maria Miss. May God keep you safe and healthy and give you prosperous life ahead. Thank you for being with me always.
Hello, Maria Miss. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday, Maria Miss. Sending you a smile with every moment of your special day. Have a wonderful time and a very happy birthday. Hope this special day brings you all that your heart desires. Once again, happy birthday, Maria Miss.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, dear Maria Miss. May God bless you with good health of mind and body. May your wisdom doubles every day so that you continue to teach the wonderful life lessons to your future students. Your dedication and motivation has inspired all of us to move ahead. Working with you has been a learning experience and has been a gift for all of us. Thank you for your continued support and leadership.
I wish you a many happy returns of the day, Maria Miss. May you have many more birthdays to come. I hope your special day brings you lot of happiness, joy and fun for you. Once again, I wish you the very best on your birthday.
You are sweet and supportive, kind and loving, cheerful and inspiring. You are my friend and my mentor. I wish you many happy returns of the day. Love you, Miss.
शिकवता आपणास आकाशाला गवसणी घालण्याचे सामर्थ्य देणारे आदराचे स्थान म्हणजे आपले मरिया स्कूल. सुख, समृद्धी, समाधान, दीर्घ आयुष्य, आरोग्य तुम्हाला लाभो. वाढदिवसाच्या अगणित शुभेच्छा.
A very happy birthday, dear Maria Miss. May God bless you with good health, loads of love, joy and happiness. Enjoy your day. Take care.
Hi Maria Miss, wish you a very happy birthday. May God shower His blessings on you not only today but all the days of your life. No words can express the love and respect I have towards you. But I just want to say a big thank you to you for always being so kind, loving, caring and supportive towards all of us in school. Just like it is said, like teachers are like mothers to children in school, in the same way I too have experienced your motherly love, care and concern towards me whenever I have needed. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed always. I love you.
Wish you happy birthday, Maria Miss. May God bless you with lots of happiness and long life. Enjoy your day.
We are so blessed to have a HM like you who is very supportive. I wish you a long and fulfilling life filled with joy and happiness. Many happy returns of the day, Miss. May God bless you. Keep smiling.
Hi, Miss. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and may all your wishes come true. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the guidance and support that you give us throughout the year. Once again, happy birthday.
This tuja zol matzo, this wode khushecho. Happy birthday monon, ugdas kortau tuzo. Ruk tuje anjance, kali sor mogace. Deva bapan आपले besav तुझेर घालचे. A very happy birthday to you, dear Maria Miss. May God bless you with all the happiness in life. I miss you and I love you.